How to fill a shape with color in Canva. Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose and I'm here to guide you on how to fill a shape with color in Canva. Watch the video till the end and without any further ado, let's dive right into the video. Launch a web browser on your device and go to canva.com website. Make sure to log into your account. After that, you have to first open your Canva design and click on the shape that you want to fill with color. I'm going to choose this shape. After that, from the toolbar, you are going to see the color. Simply, you can choose the color that you want to fill the shape with, so you can choose any of those. After saving, you can see that immediately the shape has been filled with the color chosen. So you can click on the share icon at top right corner and easily download it as well. So that's all for today. Hope this video helped you. If you are new to our channel, hit the like button and subscribe for more tech and tips videos. Thanks for watching.